So, changing the sway bar bushings, that guy right in there. First thing you're going to do is just undo the heat shield. It's 8mm, and then you got to do the outside metal clamp that holds the whole thing. Trick is to do both of the sides at the same time, and then you can swing the bar down, pull off the rubber bushings, slide your new ones on there, and bolt it back together. So, that's what we're going to do real quick. You can just fold it out of the way like that. Don't even have to take the other bolt off, really. And there's this guy, it's 15mm. We need an extension to do the top. Okay, so once you get the top and bottom bolts off, on both sides, 15mm, you can just pop this guy off. It might just fall off even when you're taking them off. And then you're able to move the sway bar out enough to pop these bushings off. Do the same thing on the other side, just pop this off. It'll probably just fall on the ground right now. Maybe not. See what I'm saying? So you remove that metal bracket, remember which way it goes. I mean, it can only go back together one way, but there we go. Sway bar drop down. That clamps together around it like so. Here's the old sway bar bushing, which I think it's the wrong size, to be honest. It's worn out, it's hard, but I don't think you should be able to just spin it around like that easy. I'm thinking the previous owner of this didn't know the correct size of the sway bar and bought the too large of bushings. Basically just split that open with whatever you can and just slide it off of there. Come on. Yeah, something looks wrong there. It's been oh, that's crazy. Oh man, look what's inside of there. What the F? That's so tore up in there. It's been spinning around and like the bar is so much thinner here now. I can actually feel the difference. Like it actually wore the bar down. Honestly, I would almost say that this needs a new bar, but I don't got money for that. Holy. We'll peel off this other one. And we'll see if it's just as bad. Yeah, the bar is like super worn out underneath it. Like it's just been spinning around without actually doing anything. And it could be making some type of noise. Look in there, that's... What is that? Old grease? Someone put in there? The opening, the hole does just seem way too big for the bar. I'd say this is probably the wrong size. I'm gonna coat this. Wait a bit, clean it, coat it, put the new bushings back on, new bushings on, boom. So before you install it, you're just gonna wanna like work it a bit. You know, it's never been open before, so just flexing it open a couple times, getting it ready to go around the bar. Some people put grease on them, so you make sure it's the right way. Use a screwdriver and pry it apart to get it started, and then just squish it on. Oh, too far over a little bit. There we go. Just like that. And that does not spin like it used to. Once that's clamped on there, it's gonna be good. Boom. Okay, so the back clamp is up there. Back part of the clamp is up there. I'm trying to spin the bushing around so it fits the right way. About like that. Put it in place. Put the other one over top of it. Tighten it together. Alright, so you got to kind of do it equal. Get each one just threaded in a bit, and then slowly tighten it in until everything's all tightened up.
Yeah.